Jesus Christ! It's the wrong way! Yes! Yes! Aren't you a great doggy? Five-star accommodation that Nerd promised me. This is an actual legit rocket. Oh my god, it's a bearded dragon! I freaking bike just died. You are joking. Why are you running? I just want to be buddies. Whoa, 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 alright, gotta stack. I hate sand. Why do I keep coming with Nerb to places with sand? Frick. Slept at Billicolina station last night after a great dinner. Sun's just coming up. Ready to get on the bikes. I've got no idea where we're riding today. Just gonna follow Nerb. Hey, buddy. You're a good working dog, aren't you? Good working dog. So you, aren't you? So we are on a property which is within the amber zone of the defence land. South Australia. And this is where they test. Old mate was telling us that they actually Hondas here actually do some serious testing here with quite a lot of new rockets and stuff. So they said at any point the Defence Department can say you've got to evacuate for a day or two, and because the rocket could be so serious it could be flying over their head or something. And yeah, they have a bomb shelter. This is from the 50s, he said. Nuclear bombs. Let's have a look inside the bomb shelter. Nothing but tyres. But he said they test rockets and stuff, and they said they used to fail a lot, and he said they'd just smash into the ground and stuff. But he said they're pretty good now. They just remote detonate them if they go wrong. But there's one over here, a rocket. I'll show you. When I saw this, I thought it was just a piece of artwork or something. But this is an actual legit rocket that was found in this land because it calls out some nose cones that they found. An actual Australian Defence Force rocket. Does it say there? It's got some inscriptions on it there. Don't know what that means. Serial number punched into it. A smashed up rocket. Come here. Goodbye. You're the one I'll miss the most. Leaving Billicolina. Great little homestead. Very, very nice to us. This is a weird surface. It's like deep, soft sand, but it's very smooth, so it's not like hard to ride on. It's just bogging the bike down. I'm at like the top of 4th gear to do 85 k's an hour. Hey, miss. Hey, buds. We don't exactly know where we're going. But you know, she'll be right. Not that far to walk to a town from here, only a couple of billion kilometers. Absolutely crazy to think that this is someone's property, man. Everything you see here is like privately owned. We've been riding for like an hour. We're still on their property. But these properties in South Australia are some of the largest privately owned properties in the world. There's one next to this one called Anna Creek, and that is the largest privately owned bit of land in the world. Yep, son.
Well, that's a good feeling seeing that.
Yeah, he wasn't lying, old mate.
Old mate wasn't lying.
Just felt my first stutter. Came over a hill and gassed it, and it just stuttered a little bit. I'm running low on fuel. Hey, buddy. Oh shit, yeah, go away from me, please. You're a big boy. You don't move for anyone. I'm never gonna make it to the town. Nerv's only got like 2 liters on him. Freak. Woo! Too easy, man. The pen gate. I was literally just cutting out that whole way.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's why I was going so slow.
Yeah,
No fuel whatsoever. It's like a mine. You are now entering a BHP mine. Bike's actually cutting out, trying to do fifth gear, punching it into the wind. Not enough petrol to get up into the fuel pump. A mining town. What's a big water storage? Oh my god, fuel, pizza, sweet, sweet petrol. Oh, I missed you. We are hanging out for some freaking bacon and eggs and like proper freaking lattes, man. There is a Blockbuster here. That can't be right. Nah, it's just the old Blockbuster sign. Surely. I heard there was no Blockbusters left in the world. Blockbuster video. 40 kilometers of four-wheel drive only. Take fuel and water. I've got fuel, I got water, and I got Jack Daniels, so I'm alright. Should just go right in there. Just fall in some opal mines. Alright, we got strap. Can only fall that way now, which is good. Engineering with NERB. How much do I owe you for that one? Sign off on this fuel carrying device. Too freaking rocky. NERB told me how to strap it better using triangles. NERB's a civil engineer, so he knows load bearing strap jobs. It sounds like a cool fetish, doesn't it? The load bearing strap job. Woo! Yeah, it's pretty tricky going through here. We got 53 kilometers of bloody sand again. And I did not know we were doing sand again. So I'm not ready for it. 42 PSI on my front tire. Oh, this is soft. This is soft. Backpack is so heavy. NERB's like, oh, we're at the supermarket. Let's load up for 3 days of camping. So I bought a shit ton of stuff. And it's all in my backpack. Now I'm gonna have to stand up for the next hour and a half. Ugh. Such a whinge. Such a freaking whinge. Bushes, sand dune. Let's go. Over the joint. Nothing has come through here in freaking yonks. Well, gents, this is where we're sleeping tonight. So, gents, this is the 5-star accommodation that NERB promised me. He said, book the Hilton for you, so here we go. Let's have a look. Good reviews on Yelp or whatever. Comes with a fridge. Whoa, it's actually quiet in here. Comes with a little chimney. You could actually live down here. Sand dunes again. So much sand out here. I think we're in the desert or something. Alrighty, gents, middle of nowhere, and first puncture. The rear of the 690. Middle of bloody nowhere. Actually, there's a KTM dealer over there. You make it look easy, NERB.
It's easy.
Oh, when I tried doing it at home, impossible. There you go, big slicey.
Pinched. Look at that, bang over that.
One, so we need. It's the weirdest thing. Every time I stop, my chain is ridiculously loose. I keep adjusting it every single night. It's crazy. Hey, who's this old mate? How's it going? Not too bad, mate.
What are you up to?
Heading into the homestead.
On the wrong road.
Okay.
What you can do while you're here, go around and give me a hand for 5 minutes.
Yep.
Just cruise around these cattle and see these cattle here.
Yep.
Just block those cattle up for me. Just hold them in the dam.
Sure. Oh, I'm mustering cattle. I'm a cowboy. I'm a cowboy. I've always wanted to be a cowboy. This is not what cowboys do, is it? Move it on in, boys. Just bringing in the cows. This is a city slicker's dream. Mustering cattle on dirt bikes. Yes! This is fantastic. Ugh, don't look at that one. He's not with us anymore. Come on, this way, Bessie. He probably thinks we know how to muster cattle. Does he realise that I'm a computer programmer for a bank? Nev's gonna be loving this shit. 1190 mustering cattle. You get him from that side, I'll get him from this side. This is the Mighty Duck V move formation. And we'll bring him in. They do kind of, yeah, really go to the opposite direction of wherever your bike is. This other guy on the bike's gonna be like, who the hell are these guys? We're just a couple of lazy adventure riders who want to help out. This is so awesome. I'm such a city slicker. I'm really excited about mustering cattle. I just love how Nerb's mustering cattle on his 1190. Probably not the intended use of the KTM 1190 as a mustering bike. No, where you going? Where you going? Come on. You know where home is. It's obviously in that direction. Follow the other cows. Old mate told me to muster these cows. I'm going to muster these cows. WR's pretty good for it though. You definitely wouldn't want a 450 for doing this. It would freaking overheat on you.
Post out there.
Yeah.
We've got to get them around that post.
Okay.
We're going to bring them back this way.
All of them.
Yeah.
All right. This is a blast, man. This is why these farmers are such good dirt bikers, man. Whipping around this all day as your job. He's coming around that side. I'll come around this side. How good is this shit, man? It's easier with a few people. That's why old mate was like, give us a hand for a second. Makes it a lot easier. That's it. Look at this. Look at this, Nerb. We are farmers. Look at this organisation. He gets real close, old mate. He doesn't muck around. Probably done this once or twice before. Yes, Craig, jump in. Jump in for a muster. He'll love it. He wants the experience. So past that post and then I think we can bring him in. Good work, cows. That's it, that side of the post. I want the outback experience. Mustering cattle on dirt bikes. Bring them in, boys. Bring them in.
They're mustering cattle.
Yeah. I rocked up and he's like, give us a hand, mate. I'm like, sure thing, mate. Jeez, struggling to keep up with the old farmer, mate. Old mate rides fast. 100 through sand, through corners and shit. And he's got absolutely no knobby and his bike's blowing all this smoke. He is not slowing down. He hasn't stood up once in the sand, he's just sitting down, relaxing. His morning commute probably. Here I am freaking concentrating, standing up. Anyone who's born on a farm makes a good motorcycle racer. Casey Stoner, Jack Miller. Wish I was born on a farm, man, then I'd be a MotoGP champion. This feels a bit like a video game. You're trying to get to the next like town or something and you're a traveler on the way and an NPC tells you, help us with these cows for a quick second. Feels like I'm on a quest. Now I'm going back to the town to hand in the quest and get my reward. Frickin' hell, here we are. Back at the homestead. So after just mustering cattle, we've pulled into Bulgaria, it says there on the sign. And old mate, I think for mustering cattle, has given us this house to stay in tonight. I'll show you our accommodation tonight in the ghost house. The old farmhouse that he says no one's been in for years. I'm gonna sleep on the ground here. I was gonna sleep on the couch, but it looks There's probably mice and stuff in there. I'll sleep in here with the cows outside in the yard.